Moscow Watchdogs, guardians of the Russian steppe. The Moscow Watchdog truly is a breed born from a specific need. In Soviet Russia, protecting livestock and vast border regions was paramount, and existing breeds simply weren't up to the task. Breeders meticulously combined Caucasian shepherd dogs, South Russian ovcharkas, St. Bernards, and even some Newfoundland bloodlines to create what we know today as the Moscow Watchdog. This wasn't just about size, it was about creating a dog capable of independent thinking and unwavering dedication to its charge. The result is an incredibly powerful and loyal guardian with a deeply ingrained instinct to protect. The Moscow Watchdog's initial purpose was incredibly demanding. They weren't simply guard dogs, they were trackers, specifically bred to find poachers and people who had escaped from labor camps during the Soviet era. Imagine vast stretches of forest, often rough and unforgiving. That's where these dogs worked. Their handlers needed them to follow faint scent trails across incredible distances, navigating difficult terrain like dense undergrowth and rocky hillsides. This required a dog with exceptional stamina, an incredibly keen sense of smell, and the intelligence to interpret those scents accurately. It wasn't just about finding someone, it was about locating them reliably over miles, often in challenging conditions. The Moscow Watchdog's sense of smell is truly remarkable. It's what sets them apart as exceptional trackers. They possess scent tracking abilities that far surpass many other breeds. It's not just about detecting a scent, but the nuance within it. Imagine being able to pick up on subtle differences in smells even days after they've faded, or through rain and snow. That's what these dogs can do. Their noses are incredibly sensitive, allowing them to differentiate between minor variations, identifying individuals or following trails that would be completely lost to most other scent hounds. This ability was crucial for their original purpose of guarding livestock from wolves and poachers. The Moscow Watchdog's sheer size is truly impressive. Many individuals tip the scales well over 100 pounds, and some can even reach upwards of 150. This substantial build isn't just for show, it contributes directly to their effectiveness as working dogs. Coupled with that incredible size is an exceptionally powerful nose. They possess a remarkable sense of smell, allowing them to cover vast areas efficiently and consistently follow scent trails. It's this combination, the ability to move quickly across terrain alongside their keen tracking abilities, that makes them such reliable trackers for various purposes. Moscow Watchdogs possess an incredibly specialized skill that truly sets them apart when it comes to tracking air scenting. It's more than just smelling, they actively utilize the wind to their advantage, constantly inhaling deeply and rhythmically as they move. Think of it like this: imagine a faint aroma carried on the breeze from miles away. The Moscow Watchdog's keen sense of smell, combined with this deliberate air scenting technique, allows them to pull that information in, analyze it, and follow its trail. This isn't something every tracking dog can do. It requires immense focus and a remarkable ability to interpret subtle airborne signals, making long-distance tracking possible. Many dog breeds excel at tracking scents along the ground. It's a fundamental skill for hunting and guarding. However, Moscow Watchdogs possess an exceptional versatility in their scenting ability. They aren't just limited to following trails on predictable surfaces like pavement or packed earth. These dogs are remarkably adept at picking up and maintaining a scent trail across incredibly varied terrain. Imagine them working through deep snow, navigating muddy fields, or precisely tracking someone across dry grass. They do it all with impressive accuracy. This adaptability was crucial for their original purpose of guarding livestock in vast, challenging landscapes where conditions were constantly changing. It truly showcases the breed's intelligence and refined sensory abilities. A crucial part of Moscow Watchdog training involves teaching them to identify specific people through scent. Trainers use a technique called scent article. Think of it as creating personalized scent profiles. They'll present the dog with items that carry an individual's unique odor, like worn clothing or even a favorite personal item. The dogs learn to associate these scents with particular individuals, developing an incredible ability to track and identify them based solely on scent traces. This isn't just about finding someone, it's about recognizing who they are. It requires immense focus and concentration from the dog, and it strengthens their bond with the trainer as well. The Moscow Watchdog's incredible scenting abilities and tireless endurance aren't just random traits, they're a direct result of careful breeding practices spanning generations. Historically, breeders prioritized dogs demonstrating an exceptional sense of smell, the ability to detect subtle scents over vast distances and in challenging conditions. Simultaneously, stamina was paramount for guarding large estates and patrolling expansive territories. This meant selecting individuals capable of enduring long hours of work, often in harsh weather. Over time, this focused selection has deeply ingrained these predispositions into the breed's genetic makeup, making scent tracking and relentless pursuit hallmarks of the Moscow Watchdog today. Their remarkable tracking abilities aren't just for guarding livestock. They deeply influence how these dogs hunt when given the opportunity. Imagine a Moscow Watchdog following a scent trail through dense undergrowth, meticulously piecing together clues, broken twigs, disturbed leaves, subtle shifts in odor to locate its quarry. They possess an innate understanding of animal behavior and habitat, enabling them to pinpoint the location of various prey species within their environment. While primarily known as guardians, it's fascinating to note that Moscow Watchdogs are actually omnivores, supplementing their diet with berries, roots, and other plant matter when available. While their days patrolling borders as official guard dogs have largely faded, the Moscow Watchdog's incredible scent tracking abilities haven't diminished. Generations of deliberate breeding focused intensely on this skill, prioritizing an exceptional nose and unwavering determination, and that heritage is still very much alive today. You can see it in how they methodically investigate a scent trail, their heads low to the ground, completely absorbed in what they're detecting. It truly highlights the power of purposeful breeding. They're living proof of what can be achieved when specific traits are consistently prioritized over many generations. This isn't just about finding something lost, it's a deeply ingrained instinct that defines so much of their character.